It's not a Tesla. What's going on here? What kind of vehicle is this in the shop? All right, we got something different we're gonna go ahead and do on the channel. We got a nice old 66 Ford, and we're gonna do some paint work to this one. And this is a friend of the owner, and they wanna do something cool with it. But I wanna get feedback from you guys on what you think this truck would look cool. What color? How would you guys do it if it was yours? So leave down in the comments your ideas on the truck. But it looks like it's got a fresh 302 in it. It might be a little something different, but to me it looks like a 302. But nice and clean, looks like it was freshly done. It's got nice new valve covers on it. And he was originally here to get the inside of the cab primered to match the outside. He wanted to get rid of that red and go with the gray on the inside and then the gray on the outside. But I tried to talk him into it, and I think we got him, and we're gonna do something cool on it. So I'm hoping he's gonna let me do what I think would look cool on it, but I definitely want some feedback from you guys. Let me know if you guys have any of these trucks and what you guys think would look good on it. But it's definitely got a cool stance. It's got the squatted look to it. It's like it's bulldogging, so I'm liking that already. And it's got clean windows in it. Solid old truck. And I like this wood grain wheel, so it'd be cool almost to do some wood grain on this thing. Maybe inside somewhere, if we can figure out a good spot, we'll see. But give me some feedback from you guys. I think it'll be cool for the channel, and I think you guys will like it. So I just wanted to show you the new project we're going to be doing here at the shop. You guys know we got a lot going on, but something like this is sometimes cool to break up, you know, the monotony of the everyday car that we do. So sometimes you get one of these and it just takes away, brings back the old days of when you really got into things and liked it and enjoyed it, put your touch on it. So we're going to try to make this one nice for this guy. I think he'll love it when he's done. All right, so we're starting right away on this job, and you guys know we're in a full production shop, so we don't have time to let this sit and get in the way. We got to get on it and get it done right away. So we started tearing it apart. That way we can get to sanding on it. We're going to tear it down, but we're not going to strip it all the way to bare metal and do all that stuff. It's primered, and we're giving this a nice look, and I'm not sure which way we're going with it, but we're going to do something really cool to it, and I think you guys will like it. So we started taking it apart. And I got my man Joey, he's on the job, and he really likes working on these older vehicles. He's been in the business a long time, and this is something different to take away the normal day-to-day stuff. So let's talk to him for a minute. All right, this is my man Joey, and he's in on the job with us here. He's gonna be the one taking it apart to get it ready so I can shoot it. So how do you like these old vehicles?
Well, I have a passion for them. I love them. Since I was 16, the Batmobile got me into body work.
Really?
Yeah, the customization of the Batmobile.
Wow.
I love the way that looked, and I pursued it for a long time. I even done some custom work myself, and I really enjoy it.
So you're going to be looking forward to seeing this one all finished up?
The most enjoyable part is going to be the final product, where we want to take it deeper, but we can't. We're going to put a cosmetic look on it. It's going to look gorgeous because we got two top guys on it.
All right, Joe, so he's taking it apart and getting the thing ready, and you guys will see some action on it, and we'll get you up to date on what color we're going to go with it. But I want you guys to leave us your comments in what you think you would do to it. I got an idea what I think I'm going to do to it, but your feedback would be good on this. So definitely a cool old truck, and you guys will be seeing more of this on the videos. But we're getting it taken down, and we're going to do a little bit of tightening up on some things to make it look good. All right, we got the door off, and this door is solid. It's just got light small surface rust on the bottom. This truck's really clean. Everything we've taken off so far on it is looking really nice. So solid old doors. And we're pulling the bed off now because we got to make sure we get behind the cab on this so it looks nice. So we got the tailgate off, and we're going to go ahead and take care of that. We got the back bumper off and lights out. We are taking it apart, and we're going to do our best to make it look nice. So my man Joey's underneath now. We got the wires he's probably disconnecting, and we're going to go ahead and be able to set this off. All right, so this will wrap up episode 1 of the 66 project truck. Leave some comments and let me know what you guys think we should do, and we'll see you guys on the next one.